In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys on TradeZero. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside TradeZero, you want to click on Preferences up top and then click on Settings. In here, you want to go to Hotkeys, which is the first thing over here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and select what you want. So Windows, Orders, and Number Pad. Okay, so of course it's up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Windows over here to actually add a hotkey for Windows. And then I'm gonna click on Add New here, and then you wanna basically select your hotkey. I'm gonna do Shift plus A, and then the name for it, of course, you want to select that, and then I'm just going to click on Select Chart over here. I'm going to name it that because the action I want is to actually select a chart, okay? And then I'm gonna click on Save, and there we go. This hotkey has been successfully added. Now, of course, when you want to go to Orders over here, you can also add a new one over here. You can add the hotkey, the name, and then you can basically go ahead and select the mode, the site, the account, etc. And then again, save it, and your hotkey is going to be successfully set up and saved. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.